Yo, what is up, guys? Serg here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys could get started with affiliate marketing without a website. Yes, it is possible to make money with affiliate marketing without a website, and I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually leverage other people's websites to make money. Okay? So, there's a lot of type of ways where you guys can actually start making money with affiliate marketing. One of them is to leverage somebody else's websites to actually make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, but before we get into that, before we get into this video, I want you guys to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification so you guys will get notified when I post my next video. And I'm still doing that 30-day challenge. So let's get into this video, and I'm gonna tell you guys how you guys could actually start leveraging other people's websites to start making money. And how you guys can start earning commissions with your affiliate marketing business. Okay, there's lots of ways with to start making money with affiliate marketing and without a website. And I'm gonna show you guys the best effective way where you guys can actually start making money with affiliate marketing. Okay, first, what you guys want to do is actually go to ClickBank or any type of affiliate programs where you guys are interested in learning about. But I suggest ClickBank because it's a beginner friendly vibes, and you guys could start promoting digital products and start promoting anything that you guys could start getting into. Okay, so there's a lot of categories here on ClickBank where you guys can actually start getting information and start learning what you guys want to know about. But right now I'm gonna get into e-commerce because it's pretty hot right now. If you guys don't know what e-commerce is, it's basically like drop shipping, or like what Amazon does. It's a big e-commerce business. But drop shipping is basically trying to find a product that's $2 or less than what you guys are asking for and stuff like that, and get it shipped out to the customer. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can start doing that easy and pretty fast, so you guys can start learning how you guys could get into affiliate marketing. So yeah, what we're gonna type in is e-commerce and see. Okay, right here, one of these e-commerce, you can actually earn up to $540. $540 where you guys can actually start making money, good money, off one sale. Okay, so the way you guys are gonna do it is actually pretty easy. What you guys are gonna do is go to YouTube. Okay, go to YouTube, create a free YouTube account. It's pretty easy. Talk about how you guys build an e-commerce store using anything of these products. Let's say you want to promote this. You just tell them, okay, here's how you could build this e-commerce store. If you guys want to learn more, click the link in the bio. Or click the link in the description, and that's it. It's easy, right? Easy. You guys could do this with e-commerce. You guys could do this with web posting. Whatever you guys want to do, you guys could easily just start promoting, reviewing digital products. How to make a WordPress website. A lot of people are making, like, look, this one has 732k views, and I'm pretty sure out of 1%, they still made a ton of good money off this. People make a website in 20 minutes, and it's pretty easy to people, and they do not have a website. They're not promoting their own website. They're just telling people to click on this link. Let me see if I could okay, let's go to this link, and
how I can market myself. I think the website was more like how to start a
as you can see here, he just directly linked his affiliate link, and that's it. And you guys could get started in creating your own website, easy and pretty easy to do. And yes, you guys do have to show your face, or you guys could do voiceovers, a lot of voiceovers, but you do have to do videos. You do have to create content, and completely free. YouTube is completely free to use for you guys. You guys could easily just get started with YouTube and start doing videos like this, start doing tutorials, start promoting all these other products where you guys could actually get started and it's pretty easy for you guys to get started. As you can see, you can just upload a video, keep uploading videos about this products, and to see if you guys could rank for that certain keyword and stuff like that. And it's pretty easy for you guys to actually start affiliate marketing without a website, okay? And it's easy to do it. Amazon Associates has a that you could start off with YouTube. As you can see, that a lot of people use Amazon Associates to promote other items. Let's see if he has anything. No. Okay, but a lot of people are actually just, some people do Top Gear, here's my gear, Amazon Associates affiliate links, and that's it. That's how people start creating, passive income just by creating YouTube videos. And yeah, and if you guys want to collect emails as well, is one of the best ways you guys could do it too, without, but you do have to create a little, a lead magnet. Okay, to create, it's kind of like a website, but not really, because you're just collecting emails to get, you giving something away for free to collect emails, and that's it. Okay, that's pretty much it that you guys have to get, and make sure it's specifically to that niche. Let's say you have a health and fitness niche, just promote health items that helps your customers out on their health, weight loss journey, or whatever, whatever they're into with that weight health and fitness niche. But yeah, that's how you guys could get started with affiliate marketing, and how you guys could get started without using a website. So if you guys want to learn more, I do have a free affiliate marketing course down below. It's completely free. I'm not selling you guys any course. You guys can use this completely free to get you guys started, but I do go more in depth with using how you guys can use e-commerce, and I do give you guys tools on what you guys are going to need to actually show you guys how you guys could get started with affiliate marketing the right way. Because affiliate marketing, no matter what, if it's a side hustle, or if you want to make it your main source of income, it's possible to do either or. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you have not done it yet, and also hit that notification bell so you guys could get notified when I post my next video. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.